What's up everybody, this is Colin Dijs from Debrew, and in this video we have another question, and today it is from Leandro, which is asking what is most profitable for sweepstakes, push or Facebook ads? Very different models, one being social traffic, the other one being obviously push traffic. Let's have a look because this is going to be an interesting one. So before we dive into the actual question, I have the promo still going on. Debrew Suite beta platform, my affiliate marketing platform I am developing. The beta is officially open. You can use for free the landing page builder, tracker, spy tool, cashflow manager. Sign up through the link in the description down below or go to www.debrew.com/beta if you're interested in beta testing this platform. Now let's have a look and answer this question. So we basically have to look at the pros and cons of each platform to decide what is better, because that's actually a very difficult question. Is something actually better, or do you have a personal preference? I think there is more of a preference factor involved, which mainly surrounds about one specific thing, and there's better in general. So the pros of Facebook are obviously the scale, right? There's a lot of reach, there's a lot of traffic going on a daily basis. Then there is the effectiveness, and I put it as effectiveness because it's multiple layers of effectiveness. It is one, the pixel, so the optimization. Then you have the interest-based targeting, which is really nice, and then the extended features based on that targeting. Overall, we're looking at the ROI, which is quite attractive on Facebook. I would say generally above 30%, which is our benchmark KPI on the ROI usually. So that's obviously very great on Facebook and relatively easy to set up as well. The big con is only one thing, it is bans. So the sweepstakes are definitely in a gray area. Let me explain to you why. For social traffic, one rule, which is very fake, is you cannot have misleading or deceiving ads. And this is the thought pattern of Facebook, which I can assume we all relate to. With the sweepstake, we're giving away, let's say, an iPhone. We give away one iPhone per year, which means probably one iPhone per 300,000 opt-ins. When we say you have a chance to win an iPhone, that is definitely true, and that would make it white hat. However, the question is ethically, do you have a chance to win? Yes, but also no, right? The chance is so extremely small that you win that it's kind of misleading, as so to say, quote unquote, by Facebook. So that's how the ad bans started happening. Then obviously if you use aggressive copy as well on your ads, on your landers, it makes it even worse. So the misleading user part, which I think definitely is not true, because the rules are stated very clearly, people just have to fucking read, but Facebook wants to protect its users from their own stupidity, and therefore it is generally marked as gray hat, sometimes allowed, sometimes not allowed, depends on the angle you use to promote this product. Definitely the ad account bans are a huge struggle. There are 101 methods to reduce the risk, to increase the risk, to have fixes to all the problems related to bans, but I'm not going to touch upon that right now. It is definitely a nightmare to deal with and pushes people as advertisers, as affiliates, away from the Facebook platform. Let's look at push though, because there's very strong pros on the push. Obviously, definitely, number one is the reach, right? When we talk about scale on Facebook, it's different because the scalability through the reach is quite big. On push, there's just continuously crazy amounts of traffic, but these are data-based traffic, which they don't have to be online for. So the user doesn't necessarily have to consume content on the platform to be able to be pushed the ad, right? So as long as the user in the database, they can send the ads through the push notification message, which I think is great. So that's one, reach. Many people inside the databases per country. Then obviously the great thing about push is such a simple process. When I say Facebook is simple for the beginner, advanced, affiliate, but simple process push is simple for everybody. Even if you've never launched a campaign, I think if you study for one day, you can launch a campaign on push. It is not that difficult. The huge con to push, in my personal opinion, if you don't run on your own database, it's crazy unstable, right? Because there's so many leads, so many different hours of the day you can be sending, delayed sending, delayed receiving, so many leads in the database of the networks, the traffic networks. It's quite difficult to keep it stable, where over perhaps a 7-day, 14-day, 30-day period it might be stable. However, in general, you can see drops from plus 100% ROI to minus 100% ROI the next day, even on scale, right? And that's quite dangerous. If this happens 3 days in a row, you don't want to receive or have complications because of that. So that is definitely my huge con for push. All in all, if I would have the choice, I would combine the two if I have sufficient knowledge. If you want to make big money, go with Facebook. If you want to make easy money, small amounts of money, when I say small amounts, I'm talking $100 to $200 a day profit, go definitely with push. If you are a beginner, go with push, save yourself the headache of the ad account bans. If you are a more advanced affiliate with more cash flow, definitely go Facebook, overcome the hurdles of the bans and make good dough, definitely. So I hope, Leandro, this answers your question. If you have a question, I will answer it for you. If you put it down in the comments below, I will have a look. If it's relevant for everybody, I make a nice screenshot, put it on the screen, record a video for you guys. Don't forget, the beta for the Debrew Suite platform is live now. You can check it out in the description below. Get to use for free landing page builder, spy tool, tracker, and a cash flow manager. If that's what you're looking for, give me some feedback. I make the platform better and then we launch. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.